think about how we chat with someone every single day, right? But have you ever thought about having a good conversation while both of you are up on the moon instead of down here on Earth? Do you think that could actually work? It's highly probable that the answer is negative. The reason being that sound waves require a medium to propagate, like the air we encounter on Earth. In contrast, the moon's environment is primarily characterized by a vacuum, albeit with a minimal atmospheric presence. Consequently, due to the absence of a medium for transmission, sound waves would encounter significant challenges in traveling across the lunar vacuum. To sum it up, the probability of two individuals on the moon having a direct conversation similar to our conversations on Earth is exceedingly low. Therefore, individuals contemplating future settlement on the moon should take into account the importance of having communication devices on hand or even learning sign language. This precaution is significant due to the substantial communication challenges arising from the absence of a suitable medium for verbal communication in the lunar environment.